In this video, we are going to grab the latest version of Unity. Now for this course, we will be using Unity 2019.1 or later. It doesn't matter what version of Unity 2019 you have, just have one of the latest versions. If you already have Unity installed and you have a Unity Connect ID, you can go ahead and skip this video. If you don't have Unity installed, head over to unity.com and you'll see here a title page with a Get Started button. When you select that Get Started button, you'll be taken to a membership page, which allows you to grab the entire Unity engine completely free by trying the Personal Edition. There is no difference between Plus, Pro, and Personal in terms of Unity core features. Go ahead and select Personal, accept the terms, and download Unity Hub. Unity Hub is a great tool that lets you manage your Unity versions. You can have multiple versions of Unity installed, and Unity Hub will manage your respective projects within each version. When we get to the installation, I'll walk you through it. Now that we have the installer downloaded, go ahead and just open up the Unity Hub. The installation process is very similar for both Mac and Linux, so you should be able to follow along without any problems. Now you're going to get a ding that's going to ask Unity Hub to control your computer. Go ahead and say yes, it's totally okay. Go ahead and accept the Unity terms, and then choose a location to install the hub. Once you do that, it's going to go through the install process and may take a few moments. When it's ready, go ahead and run Unity Hub. A pop-up may appear that says Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some features. Go ahead and allow access to Unity Hub. And then you'll see here an editor for Unity Hub. And Unity Hub lets you manage all of your projects directly from this editor. You'll see here I have several projects already created. There is a Learn section that has some getting started resources, and then there's an Installs section, which actually lets you install and manage Unity versions. So you can locate an existing version, or you can click the Add button, and you can actually add the latest versions of Unity. We are going to be working with the latest Unity 2019 version of Unity, which it looks like is currently Unity 2019.3 as of this recording. I'm going to select that, hit Next, and I'm going to include a few settings. I want to be able to build to web. I'm also going to include support for Windows Build Support, which is a compiler optimization here. And then I'm also going to include Android Build Support, as I will be porting this to mobile at the end of the course. If you are on a Mac, you can choose iOS Build Support, as well as anything else you see here. Everything is completely free. So here I'm just going to hit the Next button, and then it's going to let you know that you'll need to include the Android SDKs if you included that. I have read and agreed to the terms. It's going to ding, go ahead and select yes. And then Unity is going to automatically download the 2019 version. It may take several minutes to an hour, depending on your network speed, to download and install Unity. So go ahead and let that install, and I will see you in the next video where we'll go ahead and set up our first project.